What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, Tech Geek RLD, back again with another video. Today we're going to take a look at Spigen Tough Armor case for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Let that focus real quick. So, you already know how I feel about protection for my phones. It's either Spigen protection or no protection. And again, this is one of them cases with an air cushion technology. So if you drop your phone, it doesn't damage the phone as much as other cases do. As you can see, it's brought to you by Spigen. And on the bottom here, it says it's something you want. Take a look at the other side. Again, something you want. Now let's take a look at the back of the case. And as you can see, it just offers little simple instructions on how to place the phone into the case. Simple, you know, common sense stuff. And it's also letting you know there's a kickstand installed. Spigen, the only protection needed for any phone. This is the absolute best case to buy for your phone. There's a little slap here. We're going to pull this little tab to get the case out of the box. So pulling the case out, the case itself is still in plastic, which is a good thing. When it's in transit, you don't want it to get scuffed up and dirty and things like that. When it's on the FedEx or USPS truck, you know the drill at this point. So pulling the case out of the plastic here. There's also another little small pamphlet giving you little slight instructions on how to install the case. And for the most part, it's pretty straightforward. Take a look at the case again. Here's this pamphlet. Like I said, we don't need this, so it's common sense at this point. If you need to read these instructions, then you got the wrong case. Let's throw that to the side. Beautiful case. Spigen does it again. Beautiful case with nice protection. Volume up and down, buttons on the side here. You can see the air cushion web inside the case, also the kickstand. Just beautiful case overall, and it offers the perfect protection. Power button. You can also see the cutouts for your camera. It's also a two-part case with rubber and hard plastic, and it's nice and flexible and sturdy. Like, perfect case. Here's the kickstand. You can just pull it out with your fingernail there. With some company branding on the kickstand itself. Nothing too flashy. This is how it looks when it's propped up on the desk. When you're watching Netflix, Hulu, Xfinity TV, things like that. Beautiful case. So let's take the device itself. Let's take the Galaxy S9 Plus by Samsung, the best phone on the market. And as you can see, installation is straightforward. You just punch the corners in and bam. You can see the cutouts for the camera and the fingerprint reader in a better position this time. Good job, Samsung. Good job. Got your kickstand. Look at that. Place it on the desk and you're good to go. Look at that. That's perfect. That's the absolute best case for your phone. I can't say it again. The corners are nice and flanked out, so if you drop the phone, the screen will not crack. There's enough of a flank here on the corner, so when you drop it, it's going to bounce on all the corners, and the screen itself won't hit any hard surface. So, beautiful case with protection. This is the only way to go, ladies and gentlemen. If you need a case for your Galaxy device, go with Spigen. I can't say it enough. Look at this. Just beautiful case. It comes in other colors too. I'll go over that towards the end of the video when I go into detail about the price and where to get it from. Of course, mine's got a lot of fingerprints in it. You know, it is a fingerprint magnet for the most part, but beautiful case. I can't say it again. Galaxy S9 Plus, powered by Android. Just look at that. There it is. And like I said, when you lay it flat, it's not laying on the screen because the case is raised up a little bit off the surface. So, again, perfect case. Shout out to Xfinity Mobile. It is what it is. If you got Comcast service at home, this is the best mobile network to get with. It's a no-brainer at this point. Xfinity Mobile all the way. Starting Android. But for the most part, that's about it. That's an unboxing of the Spigen Tough Armor case for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Next, we're going to talk about where to get yours from and the prices and the other colors of the case. Alright, so to get your case, hit up Amazon.com. That's the best place to buy all cases, right? I don't mess with eBay. You got to go to Amazon. So all these cases come in at about $20 after tax and after shipping. You're looking at about $20, $25 depending on your shipping speed you choose. And take a look at some of the features. It has an ergonomic grip. Your wireless charging still works. This is the two-part piece of the case that I mentioned, and the air cushion technology. So like I said, good premium case overall. If you need a case for your phone, go with Spigen. You can also see here that the case comes in multiple colors. I think this one is the gunmetal color, and the next one here is like a bluish type color. The next one is a graphite cement type color, And then you also have the lilac purple, which looks pretty nice. It's a nice little tech purple scheme there. I like that. And you also have rose gold, that Rick Ross rose gold. You know what I'm saying? That rose gold. That looks nice too. But for the most part, like I said, you got multiple colors to choose from. They all differ in price by $1 or $2 away from each other. Of course, the one I went with was the gunmetal color, but some of these other colors look nice also. Like I said, this is a premium, beautiful case with nice protection, and you can't go wrong with that. You may have a case that look good but may not protect your phone correctly. This is a $1,000 investment, ladies and gentlemen, so when you need a case for your phone, go with Spigen. It's the only way to go. Perfect cutouts for the camera, the headphone jack, the kickstand. It's just an all-around perfect case. I can't say it enough. This is that rose gold color again. Depending on what color your device is, it's going to kind of depict on how it looks in the case. Here's the purple and purple scenario if you got the purple Galaxy S9. Then here's the blue one if you have the blue Galaxy S9. But of course in the US, and depending on where you're buying your device at, you're not going to be able to choose all the device colors, so pick wisely. Well, for the most part, that wraps up my unboxing of the Spigen Tough Armor case for my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And you already know how I feel about cases. Like I said in the beginning, it's either Spigen protection or no protection. I can't mess with UAG, I can't mess with Caseology, all them other companies. I can't do it. They gotta be Spigen. My devices are perfectly protected and trusted for years by this company. So it is what it is. It's your boy Tech Geek RLD. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It is what it is. You know my slogan, ladies and gentlemen. They gonna learn today. All right, y'all.